Hello everyone, my name is Juna. Today I will share you about my experience. 3 days ago I went to farm day and went on to playground with my friends. I fed the animals, cow, fish, and plant flowers. Also tasted honey, vanilla. I walked home. I was very happy. Thank you. Bye bye.